Hi, I'm Pam Forrester, one of the owners here at the Magic for Less Travel, and today I'm going to show you the process of making Disney park reservations. Now remember, to make Disney park reservations, you have to have a ticket linked to your My Disney Experience account. That ticket can be a standalone ticket or it can be a ticket purchased as part of your package reservation. You're going to need a park reservation for every day that you want to enter the park. That's very important to remember. And the other thing to remember is we cannot make park reservations for you. This is the one part that you'll have to do on your own, but you're not really on your own when you're working with one of our agents. We'll be there to advise you and guide you through the process, but you have to do it yourself. And it's really simple. I'll show you how. Once you're signed in to your My Disney Experience account, we're going to end up on this page again that lists your Disney plans and tickets. Once you've linked all those reservations, you're going to go up here to the top to the My Disney Experience tab once again, and you're going to scroll down until you reach this Disney Park Pass system. Go ahead and click that, and we'll start the reservation process. Now, there's lots of great information here, and it will show you how to do all kinds of different things on the My Disney Experience account. But what we're interested in right now is this Make a Disney Park Pass reservation. And we'll go ahead and click that. Once we do that, it's going to have me create my party. So the people who are listed on my reservation or my friends and family who are traveling with me, I'll click those guests who I'll be making park reservations for. This day, it will only be me and Mr. Mickey Traveler, and that's it. So I'll click him and we'll do continue. Now, once I do that, I'm going to come upon this park reservation calendar, and I'm going to go ahead and click through to the dates that I need. I want to start here on the 16th, so I'll actually click on that date, and then it will allow me to select a park. And that day, I want to go to Hollywood Studios. Now, when I reach this point, it will come up with a time, but it really doesn't matter the time that's here. It's not like you have to enter a park on a certain time. You can just click whatever hours show up. Those are the park hours right now for that day. It will show my party again, and make sure you click this terms and conditions. You can go ahead and click the link and read through it. That will show you all the COVID liability waivers and things like that. Once you've done that, you'll click confirm. And that's it. Your Disney Park Pass is confirmed. You'll see the date here again, and you can arrive anytime between 11 a.m. and 9 p.m. We'll show you how to make another one. It's just as easy. It will keep your party the same. We'll continue. We'll again choose our dates by clicking these arrows up here at the top. And this day I'm going to pick a park that's the Magic Kingdom. Again, these times don't matter. Just go ahead and click through. Make sure it's my party. Make sure I've read the terms and conditions and confirm. It's really that easy. Now, once we're done choosing our park days, we can go to View My Plans. And guess what will be there? Not only your resort reservation and ticket reservations that you added before, but now it will also include the park pass days that we've arranged. See, on this day I chose the Magic Kingdom. On this day I can see that I have plans at Hollywood Studios. On this day I chose the Magic Kingdom as well. And anytime I want to, I can go ahead and click those reservation details. It shows me that I'm going to arrive between 10 a.m. and 8 p.m. It shows me the date and it shows me the travelers. Then I can click back and go back to my plans. I hope that helped. If you have any questions or any concerns as you go through the process, please reach out to your Magic for Less travel agent. That's why we're there, to help make this easier for you. Have a great day and happy planning.